Okay, picture this. You're walking down a busy street, or maybe you just stepped into a massive grocery store, and your smart glasses are instantly analyzing the entire environment around you. We're talking pointing out physical hazards, mapping out your exact path, and even highlighting which products on the shelf are actually the healthiest for you. Now, that sounds like straight-up science fiction, right? Well, it's not. This is the exact reality being built right now by Google DeepMind's vision models. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are completely transforming how you interact with AI. We're going from consumer to innovator, mastering the DeepMind ecosystem. The incredible source material we're breaking down today was produced by Waqas Ahmed Shah. He's an educator and a highly skilled builder of AI agents and automation tools for educators, traders, and startups based out of Karachi, Pakistan. The insights we're about to cover lay the absolute groundwork for a massive shift in how modern professionals and businesses operate. Part 1. The paradigm shift. Money is a byproduct. Before we even think about touching a piece of software today, we've got to rewire our mindset. Look, a lot of folks out there just want to make money, and they want to make it fast. But here's the reality check. Money is simply a byproduct. It flows automatically when you combine real knowledge with execution to solve actual problems. You don't chase the cash. You create value, and the financial reward just naturally follows. So how does this actually play out in the real world? Well, think about a freelance video editing service. Why does a client pay a video editor? Simply because the editor is solving a problem the client can't handle themselves. That right there is creating value. But if you truly want to dominate a market, you've got to push way past offering basic services. You need to aim for true innovation, solving the kind of significant, complex problems that scale. Part 2. The Arsenal. Google Labs and automated innovation. To reach that high level of innovation, you absolutely need the right tools. Google Labs is this experimental goldmine where you can uncover market-dominating technologies way before the general public even knows they exist. We're talking about the whole Gemini series: Pro, Flash, Nano, and Gamma. There's SynthID, which is this crucial tool for detecting if an image was generated by AI. Then you have agentic AI, like Project Marina, literally controlling web browsers for you. But listen, pay super close attention to Google Poly. You just drop in a website link, and Poly automatically extracts the images and text to instantly generate full-blown branding and marketing campaigns. It is literally a marketer's dream come true. Part 3. The crown jewel, NotebookLM. Out of this entire ecosystem, there is one tool that completely flips the script on information management. Now, standard AI chatbots, they pull broad, often sketchy data from all over the web, which leads to hallucinations. NotebookLM is a totally different beast. It focuses strictly on the information you upload. It treats your files as the absolute truth and completely ignores the rest of the internet, so you get zero hallucinations and total accuracy. And the scale of this thing is just mind-blowing. You can upload up to 300 distinct sources into a single notebook. 300. We're talking PDFs, YouTube links, text files, and website URLs, all merging into one insanely customized, highly intelligent knowledge base. To put that into perspective, let's look at how different people can use this. Say you're a student. You upload your massive physics and math textbooks, and boom, NotebookLM instantly generates custom flashcards and quizzes for your finals. Or let's say you're a professional, like a doctor or lawyer. You can upload dense medical lists or complex case files to get rapid, guided decision-making support. And for the business owners out there, you can upload a top-tier business book like Alex Hormozi's 100 Million Offers, and the AI will literally map out actionable pricing strategies specifically for your niche. But wait, it doesn't just give you a wall of text back. It can automatically generate audio or video previews of your documents. It can build visual mind maps, detailed roadmaps, and even create slide decks on the spot. And honestly, my favorite feature? The unselect button. If you uploaded 10 books but you only want an answer based on 2 of them, you just unselect the rest. It tightly isolates the AI's focus exactly where you want it. Part 4. Execution in scale, the billion-dollar secret. So having these advanced AI tools is fantastic. But if you want to connect them to real business growth, you have to understand how massive corporations operate. To scale beyond just random, chaotic daily tasks, you have to build documented, repeatable frameworks. This means creating a step-by-step system where anyone on your team can perform a task successfully without you breathing down their neck. Large companies can manage tens of thousands of employees, specifically because they run on these rigorous frameworks. Let's look at how this works for an agency. Instead of hiring someone and just saying, hey, go find some clients, you hand them a documented framework. Step 1, define the ideal client profile. Step 2, use these exact proven outreach scripts on LinkedIn. Step 3, execute this specific structured follow-up sequence. With a system like this, which you could easily generate using NotebookLM, by the way, a brand new hire can read the document and execute flawlessly on their very first day. Recap: build, don't just consume. As we wrap up today's explainer, I want to remind you that your true market advantage doesn't come from just reading about this stuff. You have to get your hands dirty. Jump onto Reddit, read real user experiences, test these models out for yourself. So I'll leave you with this question. Will you spend 30 minutes this week diving into Google Labs to build a repeatable framework? Or are you just going to click on another tutorial? The choice to innovate is completely yours. Thanks for joining me and happy building.